Hi, Tekis. Now in this, I'm going to focus on ear diagram using Terra ear. To work on Terra ear, first you need to install JDK in your system or laptop. So for after installing JDK, it is showing like this way. Download Terra ear in your system. Now double click on this. So it will open like this way. So in this, I'm going to focus how to draw ear diagram for automobile industry using Terra ear. This is one of the basic ear diagram to understand any other application. So first, you need to analyze it. First, choose the proper entity and name it as. Here you can choose as person. Please decide the relationship and also add one entity. Suppose here we are going to choose as car, a person owns. Now decide the attributes for a person. Here you need to choose one key attribute. It is why it is underlined means it is primary key. It should have unique attribute. No duplicates allowed for this. So for a person, what is a common thing? So ID. ID is unique. So that's why you are underlined. That is written as primary key. Next, choose other the attributes. Address. Next, choose another attributes. Name. Here, these are the different relationship mentioned. That is, you can choose association. This is association, and this is cardinality. One to one, one to many. Generally, we are going to choose association. Next one, we can have plenty of persons depending on requirements. That's why it is choosing as many. So one to many. Similarly, you can choose here and choose attributes. Again, choose one key attribute. Here also for car, unique number will be there on nameplate. And choose other attributes. If you want to purchase one car, model is required and also name of car. Now please choose complete the connectivity part. Association between association between attribute and entity. So based on this, you can complete the remaining part by extending it with different relationship with proper meaning of entity and attributes. Here, plenty of persons are there, plenty of vehicles are there. That's why I'm choosing many to many relationship. This is one to one relationship, and this is many to many relationship. I hope you are clear with this. Please practice on your own with different application. Thank you for watching. Whoever haven't subscribed, please subscribe, put like and share with others. Thank you for watching.